Yacon, Polymnia sancifolia, also known as Peruvian ground apple, is a native of South America that is a relative of the sunflower. It produces juicy, edible tubers, from which its name, translated as watery root, is derived. People in the Andes have enjoyed yacon as a food source for more than 1,000 years. Nutritional value of yacon. Yacon tubers are mostly composed of fructooligosaccharides and water. This means that the majority of the carbohydrate sugars cannot be digested by the body, resulting in a very low calorie level and a prevention of excess sugar coming into the bloodstream. Yacon also helps the body increase its vitamin and mineral absorption of all other foods, so while there aren't many vitamins and minerals in yacon itself, it is very important for the intake of those essential components of human health. That being said, yacon is still rich in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Regulates blood pressure. There are a number of hard healthy aspects to yacon, but the high levels of potassium are certainly worth mentioning first. Potassium is a vasodilator, meaning that it relaxes blood vessels and reduces strain on the cardiovascular system. This means increased blood flow and oxygenation to parts of the body that need it most, and a reduced chance of developing conditions like atherosclerosis, or suffering from heart conditions like heart attacks or strokes. Potassium also helps to regulate the fluid balance in our body's cells and tissues, in conjunction with sodium. Prevents cancer. It is a potent anti-cancer agent, for it inhibits the proliferation of mutant cells by initiating apoptosis, programmed cell death. It is found effective against skin, colon and blood cancer. Diabetic treatment. Yacon possess anti-hyperglycemic effects. It has fructooligosaccharides so that body won't absorb simple sugars. It reduces the glucose production in liver and causes shift to reduce fasting glucose rates. It is essential for the people with diabetes. Research has been conducted on the yacon's ability to increase sensitivity of insulin in the body. It is beneficial for diabetic patients or for those people who are at high chances of developing the disease. Controls cholesterol levels. Aside from its benefits to diabetics, yacon is also important for people who need to control their cholesterol. Research has shown that consuming yacon results in a general lowering of fasting triglyceride and low-density lipoprotein levels. In other words, the fructooligosaccharides that compose yacon help to lower lipid levels and prevent the accumulation of bad cholesterol. This aids in the prevention of a wide variety of heart concerns, including coronary heart disease. Weight loss. Researchers affirmated that consumption of yacon helps to promote weight loss. Though it doesn't contain starch, it fills the body with low amount of calories. This is possible due to laxative effect of yacon and promotes satiety after consuming this sweet plant. Improves digestion. Yacon root is considered a prebiotic, which means it helps feed the microflora in our gut, boosting the efficacy of probiotics bacteria. When things are running smoothly in the gut, our body is more effective at absorbing nutrients, vitamins, and minerals from food. Another benefit to prebiotics and probiotics is that it helps to prevent gastrointestinal distress, such as bloating and constipation. With that said, yacon root may be a more gentle and natural alternative to constipation drugs on the market, when it comes to mild constipation. Liver health. The liver is the source of glucose in our body, so it makes sense that regulation of glucose through eating yacon would affect our liver health in some way. In fact, studies have shown that sufficient amounts of yacon, particularly when combined with milk thistle, prevent fat accumulation in the liver and maintain proper liver health and function. Cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular diseases have become the leading cause for death, becoming dyslipidemia a main risk factor. Yacon contains fructooligosaccharides, which is the main reserve carbohydrate. Moreover, it has significant amount of polyphenols in both leaves and roots. The study conducted resulted that extract of yacon shows hypolipidemic, hypoglycemic and antioxidant activities due to high presence of phenolic compounds. Antifungal properties. The leaves of the yacon plant have antifungal properties, making it effective in treating such fungal infections as athlete's foot. Side effects of yacon. If you eat too much of it, can cause pain in the intestines. Some people have also reported having loose stool after consuming yacon syrup. Use the leaves only for tea because it is found to be slightly toxic to kidneys when consumed directly. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe us by pressing bell button below this video.